All right, so the original gas door post had this thing on it. Looked to me like it was just broke. And the other kit that I bought for the gas door came with what I'll be showing you, like you push a pin through and then it spreads it out, and that's what all my Porsches was. So long story short, I thought this just pulled out, so I got a tool and pulled, and of course that broke off. What you're supposed to, I guess, is just put your lasso, your gas cap lasso thing around it, and that'll hold it. I didn't know that, and I broke it. And to me, this is the better preferred way. I'm going to show you to drill that post off that I broke this piece off, and then just install the universal one that everybody's using, where I'll show you. Good luck. Now on that area, before I drilled it, I got like a cutter and a wire cutter and clipped it as flat as I could. Then I got a starter bit and smacked it, and then drilled it in with the drill bit that I'll mention in the next video. Okay, use the drill bit of 1564. All right, this pin, you push it in and then it spreads that piece out. I'm going to install it here. Final results. Let's see what happens. Looks like it's on. I might mention that I kind of wish I would have went maybe one step down on drilling the hole. This is in there. I mean, if I probably tugged really hard, it would come out. So I think I said 1564. Whatever the next step down is, I would probably go less, and you can always bump it up. Final note, when drilling, be very careful and mindful of where that drill bit is going. I don't want to be a part of causing somebody to drill a hole in an area that may cause a gas leak. I was very careful, and I wasn't pushing it through. I was watching the material going away and stopping at the point when the hole got through, and maybe went through the hole a few millimeters. So definitely be careful in what you're doing.
As always, please subscribe.